Hello there. I had one problem in Adobe After Effects while I am previewing my video. When I play the video the time I notice that the playhead is not playing and the video too. When I move the playhead manually it works perfectly. But when I press the play button it can't play. I had also tried to clear the purge case files. I thought maybe this problem appears due to a case file issue. But it's still not working. You can see this green line is increasing over here. It means when I play the video After Effects just doing pre-render of this video. If you are facing this kind of an issue too, so don't worry guys. The solution is here. Just follow my steps. Just go to Edit, Preferences, and Audio Hardware. You will get this kind of preference box. Here you need to change some settings. Change default output setting to any other options. Maybe on your computer, these options are not the same as mine. Currently, I am using speakers not headphones, so I have changed to speaker high definition audio devices. Also, change device class to MME. Maybe you will get any other option like ASIO. Change it to MME. And click OK. Now let's play the video. Bingo! It's playing perfectly. If you are still getting the issues, then go back to Preferences and change device class to ASIO or any other option. That's it guys, here your problem is solved. Also, if you have fixed this problem any other way then please let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. And for tips and tutorials stay connected with us.